Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an oil change on my 2008 Yamaha R6. But before we do that, we gotta move the Mustang so we have some more room in here. All right, now that the Mustang's out of the way, we're all set up to change this oil. So all you're gonna need for this oil change is the R6 takes about 2.7 quarts, an oil filter, and pretty much all you do is take off the left side of the fairings, and from there it's just a normal oil change. So let's get to it. So we're gonna take out this bolt up here. We're gonna take out this one right here. Normally there's a bolt here, but it's just a zip tie. There's a bolt back here, but it's also a zip tie. And then there's one over here somewhere, right there, which is also a zip tie on mine, because my shit's jank as fuck. Success. Now that we got the left side of the fairings off, we are ready to start draining the oil. And this is the drain plug down here, and this is going to be a 17. Boop. Oh, I dropped that. While that's draining, we got to take off the shifter linkage so that we can get to the oil filter back here. And this bolt is going to be a 10 millimeter. Boop. Dude, I need one of those ratchet wrenches. This shit sucks. Boop. Now that we got that bolt out, we can just take the shift linkage off right there and set it over here. Now we have access to the oil filter. So all oil filters are a little different. Like this one that I got, that's a Yamaha one, does not have the bolt on it. But this one does have a bolt, so if you happen to have the same one, this is a 17. It's quite nice. Ooh, it's gonna make a mess. Come on, come off. There we go. Ooh. That's making a bit of a mess, but we got the filter off. It would probably be easier to take this off and less messy if you removed all this stuff around it, but I'm lazy and you don't need to. So if you're lazy like me, this is for you. Get this filter lubed up. And now let's get this jumping on. Hopefully it fits. Oh yeah, snug as a bug in a rug. Yeah. And the filter is on there. Make sure you don't do this too tight. The filter should only be about hand tight. And now we can put the drain plug back in and fill her up. Yeah, and that's nice and on there. There's probably a torque spec for that, but once again, I'm lazy. You can look up the torque spec if you want to. I've never had a problem with not torquing them. Now let's put this back on. Boop. Get that nice and snug back on there. Now time to fill her up with that 10W40 Yamaha lube. Hope this doesn't blow up, that would suck. It's my first time doing an oil change with the bike. So far, it's gone so good. They haven't started it yet, so we'll have to see. A little more. That should be good to go. Boop. All right, the moment of truth. Will the R6 explode? Well, it's on, it's not exploding, so I think this was a success. Gas did not explode, so I think we're good to put back on the fairings, and the oil change is done. All right, I've put the fender back on. It all went back into place, zip tied up nicely, and the oil has been changed. Hopefully it doesn't blow up when I actually go ride it, but so far so good. All right. This is the first drive, ride, whatever you want to call it, since we changed the oil. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Hopefully you don't crash. It's always a concern. But we're off about 500 milligrams of caffeine to kill a small child. So yeah, we're feeling good. I know my mic sucks, but there isn't even a mic for the GoPro here. So you guys are gonna have to deal with this. like anything's leaking out. Why is that light on? I don't like that. Oh, it's gone. Guess we're good. I got up, but I'd like to hold it longer. Gas wheelie though, and the bike didn't explode, so I think we changed the oil. That's a dub. Oh, that's awkward. Oops. I mean, I guess I was turning it off anyway. I don't know where my roommate went. He's somewhere, all right. Turn this John around. You're after me. The muffin, no. On our way home comes the jam. Maybe we'll hit some more wheelies. Make sure there's no ops. I saw that. Dude, I've seen lately I've seen videos of people getting tickets for wheelies and they're like $1,100. That's just crazy. I'm not paying $1,100 to pop a sick ass wheelie. Monday build. All right, now that's probably all for the video. Ugh. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned how to change your oil, and yeah, that's about it. See ya. I'm sipping on red, damn it, I'm a leaner. She said that I'm mean, wait until I turn meaner. Pull up on the scene, 40 on me.